Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I will make an introduction of our research work, estimation of flat object deformation using RGB-D sensor for robot reproduction. Here is the outline of this introduction. Firstly, I will introduce the background of our research. Currently, the expectation and the demand for automation of work are increasing. Therefore, robotic systems are playing an important role in many different production tasks. However, if there is a new target shape for robotic system to make, human technician must do the following jobs. First, analyze the deformation states, then estimate the deformation process, and finally plan the control program for the robotic system. Our research is going to finish those two red tasks without human so that we can alleviate the problem of labor shortage. Our research target is to estimate the stepwise deformation process from initial state to the deformed state. To achieve that, there are three necessary information we need to obtain. First is the 3D spatial information of each segmental plane and the bending line. And the second is the adjacentive relationship between the planes. And the third is the correspondence of each element between the initial state to the deformed state. The effective working conditions of our research are following. The deformation must only caused by bending, which means each segmental element are flat plane rather than covered surface. And we use the RGB-D sensor, the Aru Kinect, to obtain the input data. And each potential plane must be detected successfully. Otherwise, we cannot get the complete process for losing some part of the whole process. And to achieve the task, there are three problems with some challenges we need to solve. First is the segmental plane recognizing and corresponding. Second is segmental plane spatial information estimation. And third is the unknown adjacent relationship. To solve those problems, we propose three kinds of approaches which work better than the previous approach. First is a new weighted graph clustering method which preserves local neighborhood structure with high robustness to the changing conditions. Second is a refined region growing method which avoids the overgrowing problem without increasing the computational load, thereby increasing accuracy. And the third is a novel 3D tracking model which confirms the existence of the bending line effectively. Final part is the conclusion. Through some experiments and results, we confirm the improvement of the three approaches we proposed. Therefore, there are some contributions to technique improvement. And for the performance of the entire system, we can provide the necessary information for the stepwise deformation process estimation. And it is saved in a graph-like structures. And the performance of the entire system is confirmed with around 1.5 average angular error, which is similar to the smallest angular discrimination of the human eyes. And we think it is acceptable for robot reproduction process. And if you are interested in our research, and more detailed information can be found in our paper. Thank you.